want to know how to make a quick 200 bucks? Well, let me explain. My name is Chris, and I'm with TIMESHARE and I have clients who own timeshares at amazing resorts all over the world. My clients would like to rent their time to you, and they can do so at a cost that will save you money in regards to whatever you see on the market. I am always on a quest to bring more rental offers to my clients, which brings me to an offer that I actually have for you. I have a $50 referral bonus that I'm offering anybody who can refer a qualified renter to me who wants to rent at one of our resort listings. Right now, the referral bonus is going until further notice. So what that means is right now I'm in October of 2023, and as of now, this referral bonus does not have an end date. So if you want to make a quick 200 bucks, check this out. Right now, I have 4 clients of mine who would like to rent 4 one-bedroom units at the Grandview Las Vegas from February 10th through February 17th of 2024. So again, these are 4 one-bedroom condo-style units which have full kitchens, washer and dryers, and can sleep up to 4 people. This week is awesome for multiple reasons. Number one, if you're a sports fan, Super Bowl of next year will be held Sunday, February 11th of 2024, and it will be in Las Vegas. And second, Valentine's Day, as we all know, is on February 14th. At the moment, and again, I'm speaking as of October of 2023, my clients have these listed for $1,350 each, so $1,350 for each listing. The closer that we get to Super Bowl and Valentine's Day, I cannot guarantee that the price will remain the same, but no matter what, it will be for a heck of a lot cheaper than whatever you see on the market. So if you want to make a quick $200, and if you know 4 people who would like to go to Las Vegas from February 10th through February 17th of 2024, contact my direct line immediately. Send a text to my direct line at 407-964-5184. And you can literally say, Chris, I have a referral for you. Or Chris, I have referrals for you. If you don't know 4 people who would like to visit Las Vegas from February 10th through 17th of 2024, and let's say you just know 1 person, still contact me. If you refer 1 person, you make $50. You actually make $50 for every 1 person that you refer. The person or people that you refer would actually have to make the reservation, meaning they would have to pay to lock down the dates. Then we issue your $50 to you, either through wireless or through certified mail. The great news about this is, let's say you want to go to Las Vegas yourself. You can self-refer, and you can use the $50 towards your own reservation. Contact me directly. Again, send a text to my direct line at 407-964-5184. I will respond promptly, and we will further discuss the details. Now, one more thing. If you are a current member of TimeshareRenters.com, I want to make this very clear. This referral bonus has absolutely no negative effect on your rental payouts. I repeat, this referral bonus has absolutely no negative effect on your rental payouts. So for example, if I bring a rental offer to you, and if this rental offer to you was referred, then your rental payout will be based off of the rental offer amount and not the rental offer amount minus the $50. So just to be clear, this bonus promotion is a promotion that Timeshare Renters is running, in which we, the company, cover the $50 payouts to the referral, and it does not get deducted from the amount that you, the member, gets paid. So if you are someone who would like to refer a renter, or if you yourself would like to use this referral bonus towards your own future rental, and if you have any questions, contact me directly. If you're a Westgate timeshare owner, I have news for you. My name is Chris, and I'm with TimeshareRenters.com. And I have clients who own timeshare and have access to amazing resorts all over the world. Many of my clients are Westgate timeshare owners, and many of the rental offers that we serve are for Westgate properties. Take a look at this Westgate property. It's the Westgate Las Vegas. This location is a favorite for many renters who visit Las Vegas. The Westgate Las Vegas has an array of luxury suites. Check out this 2-bedroom suite. It's 1,300 square feet. It sleeps up to 4. It's got a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, jetted tub, a living room, a dining room, a 51-inch flat screen TV. It's just an amazing property. If you're a Westgate timeshare owner, and even if your deeded Westgate is not the Las Vegas Westgate, you can still get access to it, as we get plenty of rental offers for this property. We also get plenty of offers for the Orlando, Florida properties as well. If you're ready to get started renting your timeshare, you can go to TIMESHARERENTERS.com, or you can click the link in the description area. If you have any further questions, you can text my direct line at 407-964-5184.